The snow is melting, and that is causing concerns for homeowners across our area.
Pete Zervaga spoke to a roofing expert about how to prevent damage.
Jim Brown of Wisconsin Roofing says it's been a busy Monday. Full of calls about water seeping into homes.
It's completely soaked up here.
That's because of the warmer weather and snow melting. Brown is searching for signs of leaks inside this Menomonee Falls house.
It started in this corner and it's kind of moving out this way, so.
Brown says even a seemingly small leak can cause a big problem if you just let the water sit there.
We do run into a lot of cases where there's mold and people don't realize it, and we also run into situations where things get ruined. Ceilings get ruined, drywall, insulation.
And he recommends checking your home for water now, because when temperatures drop later this week, the refreeze could hide an existing leak.
There could be some damage that already happened that you don't even know about.
And fixing it this spring will only be more expensive. In Menomonee Falls, Pete Zervaga, today's TMJ4.